I'm David, and in this video, I want to share with you 22 YouTube video ideas for your business to help you build and grow a social media following and to connect with your customers. For many small and medium-sized businesses, creating video content can seem like a luxury reserved for larger corporations with multi-million-dollar budgets. With this video, I want to show you that this isn't true. You can create videos for your business regardless of size, even if you're a solo entrepreneur. We're going to cover a bunch of different types of videos that'll work for just about every type of business. They may not all be applicable to you, so pick out the ones that are the right fit, and hopefully this will inspire you to start creating videos for your business. So let's get started. Here are 22 video ideas that you can do for your business. Number 1, make a behind the scenes video. This can show some clips of a business meeting, how your products are packaged, or even the creation process itself. Number 2, take customers on a virtual office tour. Similar to a behind the scenes video, this shows where the magic happens. This is where you can also highlight what tools you or your team use to get the job done, as well as the places and spaces used for unwinding and relaxing during breaks. Number 3, interview an employee. Put the spotlight on an individual employee and let your customers get to know them better. Don't only focus on work though. Dig deeper and ask questions about their hobbies, their motivations, etc. This ties human faces to your business. Number 4, vlog a day in the life of an employee or yourself. Here you can highlight an individual job type, showing what a specific employee generally does in your business or what your day generally looks like. For example, a day in the life of a security analyst. Number 5, make an explainer video. This can be a video explaining the benefits of your product or service and how it solves the problems of your customers. These videos focus on guiding the viewer through how your product or service solves their problem, which ideally would then convert them into a customer. Number 6, create a product or service video. Sometimes these can be quite similar to an explainer video. The product video though focuses more on the actual product or service and the benefits or value it brings without really putting much focus on the customer problems. These videos basically showcase what your product is. Number 7, create a commercial for your business. The key to creating good social media commercials is not to focus on how your product works, but more on how it'll improve the lives of your potential customers. To create great social commercials though, you want to make it as shareable as possible. This could be done by making your video more relatable, using humor, or just hopping on a trending topic. Number 8, make a YouTube video answering common questions that you receive. These could be questions that people ask over the phone, email, in person, or even through your website. To find questions people are asking online in relation to your business, head over to your Google Search Console and then look at what are the most common search queries people are typing in to find your website. If you're just starting out though, you can also look into some common questions in your industry and then provide insightful answers. Number 9, share company events and highlight your company's culture. Film parts of your annual Christmas party, a summer party, or any other company events to showcase the company culture to potential customers or to attract new employees. Number 10, hype up a job opening. If you're hiring, make a video showing how awesome the available position is. You can showcase your company's culture, work benefits, and even include what your ideal candidate could look like. And this can go more in the direction of their personality and hobbies, as opposed to their resume qualifications. Number 11, bust common myths you've heard in your industry. There's probably a lot of false information going around within your industry. Make a video and set the record straight. This not only helps in clarifying the information, but it also sets you up as an expert in the field when you provide solid proof. Number 12, share your business story. This could be your company history, your own personal history, why you started your business, or the mission and vision that you have for your company. Idea number 13 is to tell a customer story. Interview a customer that your company has helped and upload it to your YouTube channel. Video testimonials are some of the best forms of social proof. By telling different stories, you can also position your business to a variety of different people. Idea number 14 is to make an unboxing video. Even if your business isn't a physical product or you're service based, you can still create relevant unboxing videos. This could be a tool used for whatever service that you provide, or if you have an app, for example, you can film a smartphone unboxing and highlight some features of the product in relation to your app. You could then even include some affiliate links and earn some additional revenue. Idea number 15 is to review a product related to your industry. For example, if you have a fitness clothing brand, you can review fitness apps. These align well with your business because people interested in these apps will most likely also be interested in sportswear. And this way you can then reach those potential customers whilst associating your brand with that industry. Idea number 16 is to host a Q&A session. Similarly to answering a specific question, a Q&A session can cover multiple questions that might not fill up one video. And even if you're just starting out, you can still answer common questions found within your industry. This type of content is also great to cut up into short clips to share across your other social channels. Idea number 17 is to interview an expert in your field. Associating your business with experts in your field is a great way to build up your own social authority in that industry. These experts could both be in-house or external, and you can connect with them through expos, local contacts, social media platforms like LinkedIn, and so on. Video idea number 18 is to make a conference or an expo recap video. If you visited or participated in a relevant trade show, a conference, expo, you can upload a video sharing a recap of what happened, your insights or opinions, or you can even interview relevant speakers or experts whilst you're there. 19 is to teach something in your industry. Provide value to your potential customers by teaching things related to your business. If you're a clothing brand, for example, this could be how to find the perfect fit for whatever type of clothing you produce or design. Video idea number 20 is to share industry insights. Become the place that viewers head to for the latest news and insights within your industry by hosting regular videos on these topics within your niche. You can highlight your own findings, leave your opinions on news, and share where you see the industry heading. Idea number 21 is to share the values of your company. Create a video showcasing what values your company considers important, whilst also showcasing how you're implementing these values. This could be locally sourced products, giving back to the community, solar power, and so on. Number 22 is just to thank your customers. Showcase what you've achieved together and thank them for helping build your business. This could be brand expansion, new benefits created from your products, being able to increase the quality of your products without actually having to increase the price, any press mentions, and the list can just go on and on. Now, I want to take this moment to thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more YouTube tips. That's it from me, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Ciao.